How to fix corrupt files on Windows 11. 1. Check for Windows Update. 2. Perform a system restore. 3. Run the checkdisk command. Command, chkdskc/r/scan/per4. Use sfc and dism commands. Commands include, sfc, /scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 5. Run startup repair in Windows Save mode. 6. Use the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. 7. Run the System Maintenance Troubleshooter. 8. Reset your PC.